coupe in the lot. Order for a 12 fuck swat. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn deal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the A.
It's your bae, it's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back here with another video. And today I'm going to show you girls and guys how to get this look right here, this pink lemonade look. I first did it a year ago in March 2020. What? March 2019. I'll put pictures here. It's the first time I tried the look and I loved it, and so far this is what it's evolved to this year, 2020 January. So yeah, I'm loving this look. I love rocking it. I want to show you girls and guys how to get this look. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below if you like this, if you try this out. Please tag me in all your social medias, which is gonna be down here. And I want to see the looks, because you know the girls want to. I want to see the looks. I want to see what you're serving. What you serving face? Pink lemonade. So let's just jump right into this look. So first thing first, I'm gonna take Creamy Beige by LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my eye. Fluffy Concealer Brush by Real Technique, and I'm gonna be blending it out. I'm taking Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. I'm gonna be going into this color right here, Roxanne. So now I'll be taking my Kat Von D translucent powder. So I'm gonna be taking a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna be dipping into my powder. Now I'm gonna be taking the Festival by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna be taking this color right here. Now I'm taking the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to be using this pink color right here. Go back into the Festival palette. I'm going to go in Eerie G or Eerie J, and I'm going to be taking that pink color, and we're just going to build it up even more. So now I'm gonna go back in with the concealer brush, and I'm just gonna clean up like right here, because I don't want too much product build up right here. I'm just gonna go back in with my Fawn, and I'm gonna be just concealing the, what do you call it, like the middle of my eye. I'm gonna be going into this yellow color from the Juvia's Nomad palette. So lastly, we're gonna take Kahenia from the Warrior 3 Juvia's Place palette in a little small blendy brush. And we're just gonna go around the yellow. So today I'm gonna be using my own little glitter, and this is just a glitter from Jasmine Cosmetics. It's the NYX glitter, and I'm gonna be using that to prime my eye. And I dip inside my glitter. So this is all for the eyes as of right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do my base to my face and all of that, and I'll come back when I am doing more to the eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with Kahini and the pink color from earlier from the Warrior 3 palette, and I'm just gonna drag that along my waterline. Now lastly, I'm going to put some Better Than 6 mascara on my bottom lashes. I am finished. I put my lashes and lip gloss on. I've been around the house about a couple hours, and I like the wear of it. You know, this foundation that I'm wearing, the Juvia's Place, I like the wear of it. But this is how the pink lemonade look came out. I love it. It's just so cute, so pretty. Yes, and I can't wait till what I'll evolve it to later on. What else it might, you know, my talents might go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you're gonna try this look. And like I said, if you try this look, please tag me in your social media so I can see what the look looks like. And with that being said, see you guys in my next video. It's the boo, it's the bae, it's your girl Jasmine.